Hi all, welcome to Sneak in Health. Today I am sharing a recipe which is an interesting way to include flax seeds and horse gram to your diet. So we are going to make flaxseed horse gram peanut chicky. So for our chicky, I have taken 100 grams of peanuts, 50 grams of flax seeds and 50 grams of horse gram. So for this much content, I am going to take almost 75 to 100 grams of organic jaggery powder. So the first step is to roast our flax seeds, horse gram and peanut. So I have heated the pan here. So we will first roast our peanuts. So I have taken the raw peanuts. We have to roast it until the peanuts turns crispy. So make sure that your flame is low to medium. So it's very easy to get burnt. So you have to be very careful while roasting it. You have to be very patient also. So let's roast this. So now our peanuts are done. So we can transfer this to a plate and then let it cool down. So once it's cooled down, it will be easier to remove the skin of the peanut. We need to remove it and then we have to split it to two. So now let's transfer to a plate. So while this gets cooled down, we will roast other ingredients. So first we will roast the flax seeds. So let's add the flax seeds to the pan for frying. So flax seeds are considered to be superfood. It's high in omega-3 fats and dietary fiber. So if you are a vegetarian or you don't eat fish, flax seeds can be your best source of omega-3 fats. And flax seeds are rich in ALA, which is one of the two essential fatty acids that you have to obtain from food because your body doesn't produces it. So let's roast this. So it has to be crunchy. Until that you have to roast it. Make sure that it doesn't burn. Then your chicky will not taste good. So our flax seeds are roasted well. I transferred it to a plate for it to cool down. Now we will roast our horse gram. So horse gram is a less popular comparing to other legumes, but this legume is densely packed with vital nutrients and it is good for health, control diabetes and promotes weight loss. So try to add this in your diet. So our horse gram is roasted well. So we will transfer it to a plate. I have coarsely grinded the flax seeds and horse gram together. I have removed the skin of the peanut, cleaned it and then split it into two. Now our dry ingredients are ready. Now we need to make the jaggery sauce for the chicky. So for that I am going to put my organic jaggery powder to a heated tawa. I have taken almost 70 to 100 grams of jaggery powder. To this I am going to add 2 teaspoons of water. So this is the essential step which will either make or break your recipe. So if your sauce is not in the right consistency, your chicky will turn stringy. So you need to be very careful while making your jaggery sauce. So you need to keep on stirring it in a low or medium flame. And you need to keep on checking the consistency also. To check the consistency, what we need to do is we need to pour a drop of our sauce to a cold water and then check whether our sauce is brittle or stringy. If it is brittle, then our sauce is ready. Do not put the flame on high because then your sauce will get burnt. So now you can see our sauce is almost getting ready. So we will check the consistency now. I'll put a drop to in the water And let's see. You can see it's still in a stringy form, so we need to wait a little more. So it's nicely bubbled up. Now it's ready. So we will add our dry ingredients and mix it together. The sauce should coat the dry ingredients well. So stir it well. At this point, you can either add some spices to it if you want, like cardamom, jeera, or dry ginger. But I'm not going to add any of the spices. I am going to keep it plain. So here I have a rolling board which I have covered with aluminium foil, and I have greased it with olive oil. So we will pour our mix to the chicky mix to the rolling board. So now what we are going to do is we are going to spread the mixture lightly with a spoon, and then we will roll it to a chicky shape. So you have to be quick here, otherwise your mixture will get harder. So spread it lightly. Now we will roll it. So here my rolling pin, I have greased it with olive oil. So you can make it thick or thin, it's your preference. So just give it a shape and then again roll it. You have to be careful here because it's still hot. Give it a shape and roll it again. So, and we need to cut it while it's still warm, because once it's cooled down it will get hard. So it's almost done. Our chicky is done. So I will cut it. You can see it's still soft. We need to let it cool down. Once we cut it, we will let it cool down. Then it will get hard and it will be like a normal chicky. This is an easy recipe. You can easily make it. The only thing you have to be careful is the consistency of the sauce. And kids also will like this as a snack. And we are not adding any preservatives, any other bad things that will affect our health. So it's very good for health. So our chicky is ready now. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like this and share. Thank you.